So you want to know how to make an awesome high poly model in Blender using Remesher? Well, fear not, here's how. Before diving into the Remesh workflow, we'll add essential creases to our edges, allowing us to tessellate our models further with the subdivision modifier. This step is crucial to ensure we achieve smooth and consistent results throughout our high poly model. To do this in edit mode, press 2 for edge selection, go up to select, and then hard edges. We can change the angle of the selection using this slider. I'm going to go about 45 degrees, but this can vary on different models. Then, with this selection, we can go up here into the transform panel. If you do not see this, press M on your keyboard and it will appear, and come down to the crease and set it to 1. Then if we come over to the modifiers and add a subdivision surface modifier, we can see it smooths out using our creases. We'll also in object mode right click and shade smooth. Don't worry about the shading, it will be sorted out when the remesher has been applied. Segment 2, introducing the Remesher Modifier. Unlike traditional subdivision, Remesher creates a voxel-based version of our mesh, preserving edges and smoothing out our model with precision. In the modifiers panel, add a Remesher Modifier and set it to voxel. Change the voxel size to a smaller value. I'm going to go with 0.1. This will change the size of the voxels with a smaller value meaning more geometry, so be sparing. Then check smooth shading. The Decimate modifier will lower the amount of faces significantly without affecting the overall shape of the model, allowing for your CPU not to turn into an oven. To do this, we'll go to the modifier panel and add a Decimate modifier. Change it to collapse and change the ratio to the highest possible value without the model being disrupted. I'm going to go with 1. Segment 4. Adding the Corrective Smooth modifier. To achieve the ultimate high poly model, we'll top it off with the Corrective Smooth modifier. This modifier ensures a flawless and smooth transition throughout the entire object, maintaining equal smoothness across our model's surface. Go into the modifier tab and add a smooth corrective modifier. Make sure the smooth type is set to simple and check only smooth. Play with the factors and repeat slider until you get a smoothed out shape. If you still have a very distinct edge, turn up the subdivision levels and the shape. The weighted normal modifier will help fix some shading errors, if any. We'll just go into the modifiers tab for the last time and add the weighted normals modifier. Fiddle with the weight and threshold modifiers until you get a better result. If this fails to work, you can also check the Keep Sharp box and go into edit mode, select a creased edge, press Shift G and select crease. Then press Ctrl and E and click Mark Sharp. This will sharpen out the smoothing on the edges and hopefully fix some shading problems. While the Remesher workflow offers incredible results, it does come with a few challenges. The Remesher workflow may lead to long loading times, especially when reloading scenes with active modifiers. A few easy fixes to this are increasing the voxel amount, increasing the decimate amount, or just plain disabling the modifier using the monitor icon. If you want to disable all modifiers at once, you can use a pre-installed add-on called Modifier Tools. To activate it, go into Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and search up Modifier Tools and check it off. Save your preferences and you're all set. This should allow you to make changes to your modifiers without waiting hours for loading time. You can do this by toggling the viewport visibility here. So now you should know how to create a high poly model using Remesher in Blender. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or in the Discord link in description and I can get back to you as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe and thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.